Imagine waking up looking in the mirror and seeing your skin glowing like you've just stepped out of a luxurious spa. What if achieving brighter, tighter, and healthier skin didn't mean expensive creams or complicated routines, but just one magical ingredient that's been loved for centuries? Today, you're about to discover the remarkable power of rosewater, the beauty secret trusted by queens, revered by ancient cultures, and still adored by skincare enthusiasts around the world. From effortlessly reducing acne and shrinking pores to healing scars and soothing inflammation, rosewater truly does it all. But here's the best part. Each recipe you're about to see takes just minutes to prepare, using ingredients probably already in your kitchen. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever lived without these game-changing rosewater secrets. Get ready, your skincare routine is about to blossom. Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts, and if it's your first time here, a very warm welcome to Infinite Infotainment, your trusted destination for amazing beauty tips, wellness secrets, and natural remedies that truly deliver. If glowing skin and radiant health sound good to you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Believe me, you won't regret it. Today, we're diving deep into one of nature's most precious beauty treasures, rosewater. You're about to discover 10 incredible rosewater recipes that promise to brighten your complexion, tighten your pores, and heal your skin from within. And guess what? These recipes are quick, affordable, and oh so easy to whip up right at home. By the end of this video, rosewater will become your skincare BFF, and your skin might just love you forever. So sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your beauty routine with infinite infotainment. Let's get glowing. The science supporting rosewater's efficacy in skincare is both fascinating and compelling. At its core, rosewater is a rich source of several beneficial compounds, including phenolics, flavonoids, and vitamins like C and E. These components work synergistically to offer a range of protective and rejuvenating effects on the skin. One of the primary benefits of rosewater is its ability to act as a natural astringent. It helps to cleanse pores and tone the skin without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. This makes rosewater an ideal choice for individuals with oily or acne-prone skin, as it gently removes excess oil and bacteria. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in rosewater combat free radicals, preventing premature aging and promoting a youthful appearance. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosewater are attributed to its flavonoid content, which can significantly reduce skin irritation and redness. This makes it a perfect remedy for conditions like rosacea and eczema. Additionally, rosewater's hydrating properties stem from its natural sugars and essential oils, which lock in moisture and promote supple, plump skin. By understanding these scientific principles, we can better appreciate the transformative power of rosewater in our skincare regimen. Recipe number 1, Classic Rosewater Toner. Let's kick things off with a skincare classic, our refreshing rosewater toner. This simple yet powerful recipe is about to become your daily skin savior. All you need is 1 cup of distilled water, half a cup of fresh rose petals, and for an extra tightening effect, 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Start by giving those rose petals a good rinse to clear away impurities. Next, boil the distilled water, add the rose petals, and let this fragrant mixture steep until completely cool. Strain the petals out, then mix in your witch hazel. Pour this luxurious toner into a sterilized spray bottle for convenient use. Spritz directly onto your face, or gently wipe over your skin with a cotton pad. Instantly refreshing and balancing, this toner will prep your skin perfectly, enhancing absorption of your favorite moisturizer or serum. Get ready, radiant, glowing skin has never been so easy. Recipe number 2, Hydrating Rosewater Facial Mist. Next up, say hello to your skin's new best friend, the Hydrating Rosewater Facial Mist. This beauty must-have is ideal for a quick hydration boost anytime, anywhere. To whip up this refreshing mist, you'll need just half a cup of pure rosewater, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and 5 nourishing drops of vitamin E oil. Simply combine all ingredients in a clean spray bottle and give it a vigorous shake to blend thoroughly. For an extra refreshing treat, store this bottle in the refrigerator. It feels heavenly when cool. Whenever your skin needs instant hydration, or if you want to set your makeup with a dewy finish, lightly spritz this mist onto your face. The glycerin locks in moisture, the rose water refreshes and balances your skin, and the vitamin E oil provides deep nourishment. Get ready to glow, because radiant hydrated skin is just a spritz away. Recipe number 3, Rosewater Anti-Aging Serum. If you're searching for a simple, natural way to fight the signs of aging, this Rosewater Anti-Aging Serum is a must-try. To create it, start by combining 2 tablespoons of pure rose water with 1 teaspoon of your favorite vitamin C serum and 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it forms a silky, lightweight serum. Pour it into a small, sterilized dropper bottle for easy daily use. To apply, gently massage a few drops onto clean, dry skin each night before moisturizing. The rose water deeply hydrates and soothes, the vitamin C boosts collagen production and brightens the skin, and the glycerin locks in essential moisture, leaving your face looking firmer, plumper, and more radiant over time. With consistent use, this natural serum helps soften fine lines, improve skin tone, and reveal a youthful glow without the hefty price tag of high-end products. Recipe number 4, Revitalizing Rose Water and Green Tea Serum. Ready to shield your skin from environmental stressors with an antioxidant powerhouse? Let's create the Revitalizing Rose Water and Green Tea Serum. Begin with a 1/4 cup of luxurious rose water, add 2 tablespoons of freshly brewed and cooled green tea, and finish off with a teaspoon of moisturizing jojoba oil. Pour these ingredients into a small, clean bottle, secure the lid, and give it a good shake until thoroughly combined. Keep this serum refrigerated to maintain its freshness and give your skin a cool, revitalizing treat. To use, gently pat a few drops onto your face, focusing especially on areas feeling dry or looking dull. The rose water refreshes and brightens, green tea floods your skin with powerful antioxidants, and jojoba oil provides nourishing hydration. Your skin will not only feel revitalized, it'll be protected, luminous, and ready to face the day. Recipe number 5, Brightening Rose Water and Lemon Face Pack. If you're dreaming of naturally brighter skin with fewer dark spots, meet your new favorite beauty ritual, the Brightening Rose Water and Lemon Face Pack. Start by mixing 2 tablespoons of refreshing rose water, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a tablespoon of nourishing yogurt in a bowl. Blend everything gently until the mixture turns creamy and smooth. Now, evenly apply this luxurious blend to your clean face, steering clear of the sensitive area around your eyes. Relax for about 10 to 15 minutes as this pack works its magic. When it's time, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. The lemon juice naturally fades dark spots and evens your skin tone, rose water calms and hydrates, and yogurt softens and brightens your skin. For best results and radiant, glowing skin, use this powerful face pack once every week. Trust me, this glow is worth waiting for. Recipe number 6, Nourishing Rose Water and Honey Mask. Is your skin craving a deep, nourishing hydration boost? This rose water and honey mask will be your savior, especially if dryness or dehydration is your main concern. It couldn't be simpler. Combine 2 tablespoons of calming rose water with 1 tablespoon of rich raw honey in a bowl. Mix until it forms a beautifully smooth blend. Then gently apply this luxurious mixture evenly across your freshly cleansed face. Now here's the fun part. Sit back, relax, and let it work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. When you're ready, rinse it off with warm water to reveal skin that's incredibly soft, supple, and glowing. The honey, acting as a powerful humectant, draws deep moisture into your skin, while rose water soothes, balances, and refreshes your complexion. Once you've tried this mask, your skin will never want to live without it again. Hydration just became heavenly. Recipe number 7, Tightening Rose Water and Egg White Treatment. If you're looking for an instant lift and a firmer, more youthful glow, the Tightening Rose Water and Egg White Treatment is pure magic. Start by whisking 1 fresh egg white in a clean bowl until it's nice and frothy. Then add 2 tablespoons of soothing rose water and stir until the mixture is fully blended. Using a soft brush or cotton pad, gently apply a thin layer over your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Now sit back and let it dry completely. This is when the real tightening magic happens. Once dry, rinse your face with cool water to reveal skin that feels firmer, smoother, and refreshed. The egg white works to naturally tighten and shrink pores, while the rose water hydrates and calms, keeping the skin balanced. For best results, treat yourself to this skin toning ritual once a week. Trust me, your mirror will notice the difference. Recipe number 8, Healing Rose Water and Lavender Oil Blend. If your skin is feeling stressed, irritated, or prone to breakouts, this Healing Rose Water and Lavender Oil Blend is exactly what you need. To create it, simply combine a 1/4 cup of pure rose water with 10 soothing drops of lavender essential oil in a small, clean bottle. Give it a good shake to make sure everything blends beautifully. Store this calming potion in a cool, dark place to preserve its powerful healing properties. To use, apply just a few drops to the affected areas each day. Lavender essential oil works wonders to calm inflammation, fight acne, and promote healing, while rosewater hydrates, soothes, and restores your skin's natural balance. This gentle yet powerful blend is a must-have for anyone dealing with sensitive, irritated, or troubled skin. Incorporate it into your daily routine and watch your skin slowly transform into a calmer, healthier version of itself. Recipe number 9. Anti-Aging Rosewater and Coconut Oil Balm. Ready to turn back the clock naturally? This anti-aging rosewater and coconut oil balm is your new nighttime best friend. Start by gently melting 1 tablespoon of coconut oil using a double boiler until it's liquid and silky. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of refreshing rosewater, blending them together until fully combined. Pour this luxurious mixture into a small jar and let it cool and solidify into a rich, creamy balm. To use, simply scoop a small amount and massage it into your face and neck every night before bed. The coconut oil dives deep into your skin to nourish and repair, while rosewater delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants to protect against premature aging. Over time, you'll notice fewer fine lines, improved skin elasticity, and a healthy, youthful glow that looks as good as it feels. Beauty sleep just got an upgrade. Recipe number 10. Refreshing Rosewater and Cucumber Gel. When the heat is on and your skin is begging for relief, this refreshing rosewater and cucumber gel is pure bliss in a jar. Start by mixing half a cup of fragrant rosewater with a 1/4 cup of fresh cucumber puree in a clean bowl. Blend it well, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any excess pulp, leaving you with a smooth, silky gel. Pour it into a jar and store it in the refrigerator for an extra cooling treat. Whenever your skin feels overheated, dry, or tired, apply a generous layer to your face and neck. The cucumber instantly cools and soothes, while the rosewater hydrates, refreshes, and revives your skin's natural glow. Perfect for hot summer days or whenever you need a quick skin pick-me-up, this refreshing gel will have your face feeling calm, quenched, and oh so happy in no time. Making your own rosewater at home is easier than you might think, and it guarantees the purest, most potent version for your skin. Always choose fresh, organic, pesticide-free roses to avoid any hidden chemicals. When it's time to store your rosewater, use sterilized glass bottles to maintain its purity and prevent contamination. For maximum freshness and extended shelf life, keep your rosewater in the refrigerator. The cool temperature not only preserves its benefits but also makes it extra refreshing when applied to your skin. By following these simple but crucial tips, you'll ensure your homemade rosewater stays fresh, powerful, and ready to deliver all its amazing skincare benefits whenever you need a natural boost. And there you have it. 10 luxurious, easy-to-make rosewater recipes that can completely transform your skin. Whether you're looking to brighten, tighten, hydrate, or heal, there's a rosewater remedy waiting to become your new skincare favorite. Remember, beauty doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the most powerful solutions come straight from nature. If you love these recipes and can't wait to try them, let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. And if you have your own secret rosewater hack, don't keep it to yourself. Share it below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more natural beauty secrets, wellness tips, and DIY magic. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a chance to glow naturally. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay radiant.